The Central Vista project. The Central Vista redevelopment master plan was originally designed with a strong underpinning geometry, splendid symmetry, and a carefully choreographed processional route, axis, focal point, nodes, and termination. The proposed master plan aims to restore the original symmetry and order while respecting the heritage of the building and spaces. The new Parliament building is being built in plot number 118, adjacent to the present Parliament building, and will be the first purpose designed Parliament building for India. It is planned that the new Parliament building will house the winter session of Parliament in 75th anniversary of independence in 2022. It will be equipped with state of the art infrastructure, allowing it to operate safely, smoothly, and effectively. It will make governance highly efficient with the most advanced and secure infrastructure available. The new Parliament building's architecture and aesthetics will take reference from the present Parliament building. Other buildings of the Central Vista and the classical folk and tribal arts and crafts of India. Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha interiors will have reference to the national bird peacock and national flower lotus respectively. The courtyard will have national tree banyan tree. The national emblem will crown the new parliament building. The architectural strategy is to harmonize the two buildings such that they work in conjunction. The Central Vista Avenue was designed as a grand ceremonial approach to the Viceroy's house and an iconic symbol of the British Raj. Inspired by Washington's National Mall and Paris's Avenue des Champs-Élysées. The avenue comprised a 3-kilometer long tree lined stretch from the Viceroy's house to the All India War Memorial, flanked by lawns, formal gardens, and water channels. It was designed using classic city planning instruments with a strong axis from the ridge of Raisina Hill towards the Jamuna River, an emphasized focal point formation of important nodes and a definitive termination point. At Independence, along with the buildings, the avenue streets were also renamed. Kingsway became Rajpath and Queensway became Janpath. The Viceroy's house became Rashtrapati Bhavan and the All India War Memorial became India Gate, now magnificent icons of the Republic of India. TCS buildings 1, 2, and 3 will be built in plot number 137, occupied by present IGNCA building. The CCS 123 buildings will accommodate 18,000 officials of several ministries departments presently located in Shastri, Krishi, Udyog, and Nirman Bhavans. CCS 4, 5 and 9 will be built at the location of Shastri Krishi, Udyog and Nirman Bhavans after their shifting to CCS 1, 2, 3. The CCS 4, 5 and 9 will accommodate officials of several ministries, departments presently located in North and South blocks, except PMO and Ministry of Defense and those which are situated outside the central vista. CCS 678 will be dedicated as Defense Enclave, which will accommodate the officials of Ministry of Defense, DRDO, and all services, Air, Navy, and Army presently located inside the Central Vista. Raksha Bhavan, which currently accommodates suits for National Defense College (NDC), is proposed to be shifted to GPOA at KG Marg. The Raksha Bhavan complex shall be redeveloped into CCS Building 10 as indicated in the master plan. The defense enclave has been proposed in order to consolidate the multiple departments and attached offices of Ministry of Defense, including Defense Research and Development Organization, Department of Defense, Production and offices of the Indian Armed Forces, that is, Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. CCS Building 6, 7, and 8 will form the defense enclave, which will ensure increased synergy and coordination between the key departments and attached offices under the Ministry of Defense. An automated people mover of approximately 3.1 kilometer length will be constructed underground to connect and integrate all the buildings of Common Central Secretariat. It will run in a closed loop to satisfy the transportation requirement of government employees working in these buildings. Thanks for watching.